these if this is the Great British Baking Show. Maybe top notch.
Alright, we're on our way to meet some people. We're gonna go and explore another corn maze. But this one has more than just a corn maze. So it's pretty cool. We're gonna get out and enjoy fall. So we're gonna go check this one out. Last week we went to another one in Portland, next to a haunted one. That was a cool one. Yeah, this is the first time we're going there, and Brittany found out from a coworker. Whoa, guys, look at all that stuff. That is awesome.
They said the best part of coming here is the fresh homemade apple cider donuts.
And their powder. Okay. Alright, here we go, guys.
Go for it. Take a bite.
I like it a lot. A nice crisp.
Outside. Good amount of powdered sugar on it.
I like the
And I
crunch.
think these if this is the Great British Baking Show. Maybe top notch. They're a little messy though.
I love this.
I'm not tasting the apple cider in it though.
Tastes like a little bit of apple.
It tastes like a powdered donut to me.
It tastes more like pumpkin to me, I'll be honest.
It has the spice pepper spice.
There's definitely spice to it.
It's very subtle too. I'm not a big fan of like overpowering.
Mm-hmm.
That crunch. That's my favorite part.
You have to take one of those bags home.
That was good.
There.
Eat by myself is
I would not share.
To share with me, myself, and I. So try it when you come here. It's good.
Good.
Where are we going, guys? Get a pumpkin?
Take one step and you will be a little closer to your dream than if you stay just where you are. Keep that chin held up and fight your
How does it follow her?
battles with your feet.
Well, I'm guessing that was a big circle?
Okay, there we go. Yeah, get into it. And you were almost out of it. The corn took you out.
I think we successfully got lost in this maze. This one has no map, has no, I don't know, no nothing. The beginning of the maze, all you see is a corn where you can put your head in. That's it. Any last words, Brittany, if we get lost in this maze?
I'll be eating corn.
Eating corn? That's some good words. In a big circle. This maze is so good, it stumped Brittany.
The issue is when you don't know where you're trying to get out at. This happened to me before. If you don't know where the exit is, you don't know where you're trying to go.
If you don't know, I feel like a inspirational quote should be inserted into this. There's a life
You don't
lesson.
know where the exit is. You don't know, ta-da, I found a way out. See, if you don't know
Guys.
where the exit is, you don't know where you're supposed to be headed.
It's true.
We did not ever go in a big circle. We always took a different path. We just
Look at these
got
sunflowers.
lost along the way. just have to keep going and not give up, and eventually you'll find your way.
So never give up. And if you do, make sure you eat corn before you die. Just kidding. Okay, wanna race? Ready, go! I hear you!
Howdy, folks. Welcome to Prairie Gardens. Are you ready to see some pig races happening?
Yeah!
On there.
We're driving back. Michelle, what do you think?
It was a lot of fun.
Would you recommend it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What is one thing that is a must when you go?
To get donuts.
Donuts? What kind of donuts are they?
They have apple cider donuts. You can get cinnamon sugar or powdered or the chocolate fudge ones, but those are slightly more expensive. But they're tasty.
Tasty? Sweet. Alright. Megan! Alright, Megan, what did you think?
I really liked it. It was a lot of fun, even with just us. And it would be fun with family and some kids too.
Oh, yeah.
So I highly recommend it. I would go back.
Sweet. And then your favorite thing?
My favorite thing was the pig races.
The pig
And the
races?
dog race. That was fun.
That was pretty awesome.
So that was my favorite part.
Alright.
You know?
There you go.